Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing how to treat dark circles under the eyes. Dark circles are a common cosmetic concern and can be caused by a variety of factors including genetics, lack of sleep, and aging. But don't worry, there are a few simple and effective ways to minimize their appearance. 1. Get enough sleep. One of the most effective ways to reduce dark circles is to get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and practice good sleep hygiene by keeping your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark. 2. Hydrate. Drinking plenty of water can help to keep the skin hydrated and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. 3. Apply cold compresses. Applying cold compresses to the under eye area can help to constrict blood vessels and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Simply wrap a few ice cubes in a clean cloth and apply to the under eye area for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Use topical treatments. There are many topical treatments available that can help to reduce the appearance of dark circles. Look for products that contain vitamin K, caffeine, or retinol, as these ingredients can help to brighten and tighten the skin. 5. Consider professional treatments. If your dark circles are persistent and don't respond to other treatments, consider seeing a dermatologist for professional treatments such as chemical peels or laser therapy. In conclusion, there are several simple and effective ways to treat dark circles under the eyes. Remember to get enough sleep, drink plenty of water, apply cold compresses, use topical treatments, and consider professional treatments if necessary. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.